Hey guys, what is up? It's the Nerf gun reviewer, back to you with another awesome review. Let's do this. Today we're going to be reviewing this Nerf gun pistol thingy. Yeah. And today we're going to be firing it at this backpack right here. This backpack right here. It's not on the screen yet. I know it's like pitch black, but you know, I'm getting to the backpack. Thingymabop1000X. And this backpack. That backpack right there. Let's fire it. Let's get to the testing. Let's see the things that they say. Okay, first I gotta reload. Okay, so got the gun, and look. God, this thing's not very accurate. Need to reload. And we freak. So, the review. This thing's not very accurate. I would recommend not buying it. I would rate this 9 out of 10. No John Cena. Oop. Guess I gotta see you later. Bye! It's a Nerf gun reviewer, lol.